Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the chopping block is P0350. Ignition coil primary, secondary circuit malfunction. This means your car's computer is detecting a problem with the system that sends electricity to your spark plugs. Don't worry, it's a fairly common issue and can be tackled in a few ways. The ignition coil is a vital part of your engine's ignition system. It takes the battery's low voltage and boosts it to create the high voltage spark plugs need to ignite the air-fuel mixture. A P0350 code indicates a malfunction in the circuit that powers the ignition coil, including the coil itself, wiring, or even the PCM. Illuminated check engine light, misfiring, poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency. OBD-II code scanner. Most auto parts stores sell these. Basic mechanics tools, wrenches, screwdrivers. Replacement ignition coil depending on diagnosis. Repair manual for your specific car, helpful, but not always necessary. First, use your OBD-II scanner to confirm the code and see if any additional codes are present. These can provide clues about the specific cylinder or circuit causing the problem. Look for any visible cracks, corrosion, or loose connections on the ignition coils themselves. Consult your repair manual to locate the coils in your car. If the inspection reveals a bad coil, you'll need to replace it. Replacement is fairly straightforward, but refer to your repair manual for specific instructions on how to access and swap the coil in your car. Worn-out spark plugs can mimic some P0350 symptoms. Consult your repair manual for the recommended spark plug replacement interval and inspect them for signs of wear or damage. Replace them if necessary. After the fix, clear the trouble code from your OBD-II scanner and start the engine. Check if the problem is resolved and the check engine light stays off. If the issue persists, consult a mechanic for further diagnosis. Important safety note: always remember to disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components in your car. This helps to prevent accidental shocks or short circuits. Always consult your car manual before starting any repairs. Conclusion: by following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially fix the P0350 code yourself. However, if you're not comfortable with car repairs, don't hesitate to take your vehicle to a trusted mechanic for a professional diagnosis and solution. Thanks for joining me today. If you had any questions about P0350 or car repairs in general, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.